Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon, my lovely students. How are you? Hope you're doing good and everything's fine. Today is Tuesday and the date is the 16th of February 2021. Today we are learning about magnet, and as I can see, many of you got their magnet. Excellent, excellent. First of all, the first thing I can see that you have different shapes and different colors of magnet. Wow, Juri, your magnet has a strong field. Wow, ya Rilam, wow, ya Rilam. Now, please, Rilam, unmute your mic. Rilam.
Yes, miss.
Okay, Rilam, show me your magnet. Excellent.
It have an arrow and a circle and a long L. And
A bar.
Yeah,
Excellent.
a bar and it have a heart and a rectangle and a magnet and a star and a pole.
Excellent. So you have different shapes of magnet. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. You have different shapes of magnets. Excellent.
I love them. Miss, I love them.
Nice. Very good. Okay, you can open them so we can do our experiment together. We can try them. Thank you, ya Rilam. Close your mic, please, Rilam. Yes, ya Batul.
Miss, can I tell you about magnets?
I want to see yours first. Show me your magnet. So now I'm going to ask you, and then I want you to answer me, Batul. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
How many sides does it have? You have a U shape. Your U shape, how many sides does it have?
A side? I have
Yes.
two sides.
Two sides. Do you know what do we call these sides in magnet? We call it poles. Can you see letters on these two sides? On these two poles?
N, yes.
N.
The red one is N and the blue one is S.
So we have
North
Pole
and
and South Pole. Excellent. We have two poles. Okay, do you have another magnet or not?
Yes, I have a lot of magnets.
Okay. Do you have the same shape or not?
1 minute, Miss. I'm gonna get it, okay?
Okay, and I'm going to be back to you in a minute. All right, yes, yeah, Dania. Let's see, Dania.
Miss, this is my magnet, and it also has something with it.
Nice. You have a lot of different shape and different sizes of magnet. They are not only one shape. Okay. Do they have powers, Dania?
Yes, they do on both sides. Should I show you?
Yes, please. Show me. What are the power of this magnet? Nice.
That they can together.
They can attract things. Excellent. Attract stuff. Okay. Who is going to tell me magnets? What do they attract? What magnets attract? I'm going to come back to you, Batul. I can see you. You are back. I'm going to come back to you. Okay. Who can tell me? Magnet will attract what? Yes, ya Jayda. Magnet.
Miss, can I show you my magnet?
Yes, please. And show me, does it attract the cup or it attract something made of steel or iron? Can you try? Will it attract the cup?
I have this magnet and I have another one.
Okay.
It's this, and they have also
Nice.
superpowers.
Nice. It is not powers. We call it the power of pulling or pushing something, pulling stuff. What are the kinds of stuff it can push or pull? It can push or pull a steel or iron. Now I want you to hold your magnet near to a steel or iron, something made of steel or iron. Something made of steel or iron. Do you know that our fridge are made of steel or iron? Sometimes your lamp. Yes, excellent, ya Dania. Look at Dania. Look at Dania. Yes, can you hold it to, yes, keep it there. Yes, it is attracted to steel or iron. Excellent, ya Lara. Very good. It is excellent. It is attracted to the magnet. The steel or iron will be attracted to the magnet. Very good, very good. Let's go back to the poles. Excellent, Yayara. This is what I want to talk to you about. We said we have a North Pole and a South Pole. North Pole with North Pole, will it be attracted together or it will push one another? Hi, Yara, open your mic and tell me. What do you think? Put N with N together. Where's Yara? Hi, Yara, open your mic.
Yes, this by mistake I broke this, but
it's okay if it's broken. I want you to tell me, put N with N together, North Pole with North Pole, and show me what happens North Pole with North Pole.
We can't.
They repel. The word is repel. They repel from one another. They do not attract. They do not come together. They repel. Repel means is...
Look, right, there's nothing, but if you like put it, it's like a ball, but it's an invisible ball.
Yes, when you put it the opposite way, when you put the North Pole with the South Pole, now show me everyone, the North Pole with the South Pole. Show me please, Dania, we'll do this later, ya Dania. Dania, we'll do it later, ya Dania. Wait a minute. I want you to put the North Pole with the South Pole and show me what is going to happen. Yes, North Pole with the South Pole, they will be attracted to one another. Yes, ya Batul. Yes, ya Batul.
Now, Miss, I picked all my magnets. I'm gonna show you.
Show
me. The first one, I have the circle one. You can. When it like this is don't stick, but like this is gonna stick.
Excellent. Why?
Because
do you know why?
Magnet, if you cannot put it in the face, it's gonna not look. You can feel something super hard is on it.
Excellent. Do you know what is this power? What do we call it? When two poles are the same, they cannot stick together. They repel. They want to move away from one another. Each one of these sides want to move away and run away from one another. We call it repel. The word is repel. So today we learned the word repel and attract. We have two poles in magnet, two same poles, they repel one another, and two different poles, they attract one another. Yes, ya Juri.
I want to show you that, look, right, these both stay together. At first,
can you raise your hand up more? I cannot see. Yes.
Yeah. I want this get up. See? They cannot, they are attaching together, right?
Yes.
But if I turn one of them like this, okay? Now they are not attaching.
Not attaching means repel. Say it after me. Repel. The word is repel. Yes, they repel from one another. They repel from one another. Repel, when two poles are the same, magnets will repel from one another. But if they are different from different poles together, they will stick along together. Now, if we want to look how strong a magnet is or not, we are going to see the field. I'm going to tell you how to know about the field of your magnet. How strong is your magnet? Yes, ya Lulu.
Look, I have a little this magnet, and this little magnet. And when I put it like this, it sticks. But
excellent. Attract to each other.
Yeah, and then when I do like this, it doesn't.
It repel from one another. Excellent, excellent, ya Lamar. Say the words repel and attract. I want you to use these two words.
Repel and attract.
Excellent, excellent, very good. Okay, to know the field of your magnet, if it's strong or not, I can see you, Yamimi, in a minute. Rilam, I can see you, all my lovely students, in a minute. If you want to know if your magnet field is strong or not, do you have a paper? Hold on a paper. Hold on a paper. A paper? Then, on one side, I want you to put some iron or steel on the top, and from downside, you can put your magnet. Now show me, can you move the iron or steel from down the paper? Alhamdulillah. Yes, ya Jayda, excellent. Look at Juri, excellent, ya Juri. Excellent, very good. Yes, Dania, look at Dania, very nice. She can move the clips from the other side. This is not magic, this is magnet. Nice, ya Juri, nice, nice, excellent. Yes, ya Dania, yes, Yara, bravo, ya Malak, bravo, ya Malak, excellent, ya Malak. Nice, Malak, nice, very nice. So, very good, very good. Now, Juri, can you try, and everyone, now we will see how much your field is strong. Is it strong or not? Now, I want you to put the piece of steel on your hand, and from the other side, put the magnet. Can you move it or not? Look at Juri. Look at Juri. Look at Juri. She can hold the magnet from both sides. That means her magnet field is too strong, very strong to be attracted even with your hands. But our magnet, if you're, for example, Rilam, she cannot move the magnet from her hand because the field is not strong enough. This is the field. Now I have a small video I made last year with grade 2 boys and girls. I made a small experiment with them. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, in a minute. So these are different types of magnets, different types and different shapes of magnets. I have the round one. Of magnet. It can. I have the U shape, the bar. Let's see how I can move these. This is how they can repel and attract one another. So different poles, can you see the different poles? I have north, south, north, south. So different poles, what happened to them, Mimi? Different poles, they will attract or repel?
What?
Different poles. I have different poles. Over here, different poles. I have north and south. Both of them together, will they attract or repel?
They will repel.
Okay, can you try? Use different pole. See, are they going to stick together or they will repel? Run away from one another.
They stick.
Excellent. So they attract one another. Different poles, they attract one another. Excellent. Let's see, let's complete the video. How about repel? Each other, and if they are similar, what is going to happen? They will definitely repel. Excellent. Can you show me? I need someone to show me. Same poles together. What is going to happen to the same poles? Are they gonna attract or repel? Attract or repel? Excellent, they will repel. Very good, very good. Now take a look at this over here. We will see magnet. The power of magnet is the power of pulling steel or iron, but not plastic or rocks. Let's see together.
Towards me. No. All right. What about these iron, these metal? Oops. What about this one? Oh, so I hold them all. What about that one? See? Yes. So all of them are made of iron or steel. That's why a magnet can pull them. But other things, no, magnet cannot pull them. Now, let me show.
So magnet cannot pull a rope or a star or a plastic or a rock. It needs to be made out of metal or steel. Very good. Iron or steel. Now let's see the field of my magnet. I can move iron or steel from a paper, from down the paper, but from my hand. Can I move a paper from my hand? No, a steel from my hand? No, they must be very, very strong field, just like the one with Juri, so I can have them moving from my hands or from a very big something in between.
The iron and steel. Why is that? Do you know why? Because a magnet have a field, and we call the whole area over here from up and down a field. So this is the magnet field. Even if I put it on my hands, if I have a big magnet, I would really could move them from down. But this
so I need a very strong magnet to move all the metal over here from up top of my hand. If it's too small, just like mine, I cannot move it all the way. I need a paper or a thin something to put it in between. Let's see your questions. Yes, ya Jayda. Yes, ya Jayda.
Can I show you something?
Yes, of course. Show me.
You can see my magnet here.
Yes.
You can see this, it's moving.
Why? Do you know why? This movement because of two poles of your magnet are the same, so they repel from one another. See? They run away from one another. But if you put it the opposite side, it will stick together or not? Put it from the opposite side.
Okay. They'll just stick together.
So they attract one another. Different poles, they attract one another.
Can I tell you something?
Yes, Jayda.
That my magnet, it's not strong. It can't attach to my hand.
Yes, the field is not strong. Excellent, ya Jayda. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Yes, who's else? Who else? Very good, Lujane Shadi. Lujane, same poles, they repel from one another. Different poles, they attract one another. Yes, Yamimi, you wanted to say something from before?
No.
Okay.
I just want to show you my magnet to show you it.
Thank you, Mimi. Thank you. Yes, Ya Malak, very good. So your magnet, Ya Malak, is strong enough to move the metal or the iron from behind a paper. Excellent. Very good. Thank you for showing me. I can see yours, Ya Batul. Excellent. Yes, Ya Batul.
Yes, look. I can do it. But
so the power of pulling, attracting metal or steel, what do we call it?
We call it?
Magic or magnet?
magnet.
Excellent. The power of pulling steel or iron. Yes يا فاطمة. Yes يا فطوم. هي فطومي.
That's why this she wants her.
Why they are attracted to one another? Because they have different poles. If they are the same poles, north and north or south and south, they would repel from one another. Okay, Fatuma?
Yes.
Now they are attracted. Why? Because they have different what?
Magnet.
Pole. Say it after me. Different pole.
Different pole.
Excellent. Same pole, do they attract or repel? Repel. Excellent, excellent. Thank you, ya Fatuma. Let's see, Lara. Yes, ya Lara. Fatuma, you can close your mic. Yes, ya Lara.
I want to show you something.
Show me, my love. Show me.
First, we have a magnet in the back, and then we move to the front.
Nice. So your magnet can move things even behind a paper. Very good. Yeah. So your magnet field is strong. Very nice. And the needle are made out of what? Plastic or metal?
Metal.
Excellent. It is metal. Very good. Very good. So finally, a magnet is the power of pulling metal or iron towards it. And when they are the same poles, they will repel. If they are the different poles, they will attract one another. Yes, Yarila. Yes, Yarila.
Miss, if you move this star in a heart, it will the star will move everywhere you go. And if you get it out, it will not move. It will fall out. And look at this. Look at this. If I put them closer and fold them, they turn into together.
Excellent. Why would they attract one another? Because they are different because they are different poles or the same poles?
Different poles.
Excellent, excellent. What if they are the same pole?
Because they have a heart. This one is the heart and this one is a star. But they're magnets, so they're the same.
Excellent. Thank you, Arila. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, ya Dania. Yes, ya Dania.
Miss, do you know something?
Yes.
Isn't it right when the magnet doesn't touch anything? Look, when you put this right here, and when you put the other one under it, both of them move like this. See?
Yes. Excellent.
Both of the sides are holding each other, so they can't fall.
Yes, this is the magnet field. The magnet field, if it's strong, it will hold on to one another even if you put a paper between them. And if it's not strong enough, it will not hold on to one another. Yes, ya Lulu?
I wanted to see that. Look, I have a paper.
Yes.
And I'm going to put the steel here.
Excellent. Very nice. So you are testing the magnet field. Very good. Now you are testing the magnet field. Excellent.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, sure, sure. Okay, my lovely students, our time is up. Our time is up. Have a great day, my lovely students. I want you to have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, lovelies. See you tomorrow.